channel. So today we're looking at a 1968 Chevelle SS. It's got a 540 cubic inch big block Chevy. They estimate somewhere between 600 and 700 horsepower. You can see it's got a set of Brodex cylinder heads on it, a set of QA1 control arms on the front. It's a work in progress. The car's got a storied history. We won't go into details, but it got a lot of damage, and they're trying to fix her back up and get her on the road again. They figure they're going to have it out this summer, so when it gets done, he said we can do another video on the car. They're in the process of doing the body work right now, but like I said, he said he's going to have it out this summer. Most impressive thing, of course, is that 540 cubic inch big block. Be interested to see that on the road. Anyway, guys, ain't got a lot to show you right now, but like I said, he said this summer it's going to be out, so we'll have another video coming up. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.